This is the elevator at the Days Inn in Niagara Falls, Ontario. This is the other one, which is on Ferry Street. Now this one I think is a hydraulic, which yeah, it definitely is. There's buttons. The elevators is the Howard Johnson, which is the neighboring hotel. These are what the cabs used to look like, which I was showing the cab view. These are even faster for the ones at the Days Inn. They're at 6. Has a Montgomery interlock because it's an older Northern. B. No phone, just an alarm. The capacity is 900 kilograms. I assume it's the same for the ones at the Howard Johnson. Here's the floor. Very nice. This is actually serves as the pool elevator. This has been seen next to an G button that says pool. Same thing on the indicator. Okay, we're just gonna end back on 2. We are at 2. His license. There it goes, and that's it.